In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a code in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each field means, and how to set up a clean, consistent code that keeps your financial reporting tidy. From your Xero dashboard, start by opening the accounting menu. This is your central hub for the financial backbone of your organization. Next, head into Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of all the buckets your money flows through: income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. Adding a new code here lets you categorize transactions more precisely and report with clarity. Now choose Add Account. This opens the form where you'll define the new account. Begin by selecting the account type. This choice is important because it determines where the account appears on your financial statements and how it behaves in reports. For example, pick revenue for sales you earn, expense for costs you incur, asset for things you own like bank accounts or equipment, liability for what you owe, and equity for owner-related accounts. If you're unsure, match the type to how you want the balance to show up: on the profit and loss for income and expenses, or on the balance sheet for assets, liabilities, and equity. Consistency here keeps your reporting accurate. Next, enter the code. This is the short identifier you'll see when coding bills, invoices, and bank transactions. Use a format that fits your existing structure. Numbers or a simple alphanumeric pattern are both fine, as long as it's unique. Many teams group codes by ranges, like all revenue starting with 2xx and expenses with 4x or 5x, to make sorting and searching easier. Avoid reusing old codes and keep it short and memorable. Then type the name. Choose a clear, descriptive title that anyone on your team will understand at a glance. For instance, instead of subscriptions, consider software subscriptions to make reconciliation simpler. Stick to a naming convention you can repeat, such as singular nouns and consistent capitalization. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will add the new account to your chart, and it will immediately be available when you're coding transactions or building reports. If you don't see it, refresh the page or use search within the chart of accounts to confirm it's there. That's it. You've added a new code in Xero cleanly and confidently. Keep your structure consistent, review codes periodically for duplicates, bytes, and you'll keep your books organized and your reports effortless. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.